Hello. In the release of this month, we are introducing File Manager. Now, what is a file manager? It's simple. A manager who manages all your files such as documents or attachments, images, and much more. Let's take a look. Log in to your dashboard. Click on your profile name and select File Manager. As you can see, here there are all the documents that you have uploaded as attachments. You can download the file, search using username, URL number, file name, and so on. In the same way, you can search images under Images tab. Please note that for images, you can only view and download the image. All the columns are dynamic and you can configure them as per your requirements. Now, let's see a live demonstration. I'll upload a profile image which will be displayed under Images tab. Also, I'll upload a document under Attachments. As you can see, our new document and image is now visible. Now, let's upload another document from the URL number. You can also add or delete any document from the URL number. Now, if we go back to the same record, our document which we have uploaded using the file manager is visible. So go ahead and make use of this feature and let us know your experience. For more help, you can generate a ticket from your help desk.